that CFC rules if the holding company doesn't have real management. Okay, could you, I think you did touch on it previously, but could you just emphasize what are these new CFC rules as it impacts on these holding companies?
I think the new CFC rules impact on, as I said, where key people functions are being performed, and also the domicile of the subsidiaries. So so you need to look at these particular parameters and then see how CFC is going to impact, whether it's going to shift the tax jurisdiction to one state rather than another. But I don't think that there is a generic answer that I can provide. You would need to look at the specific circumstances and then be able to advise your client accordingly.
Okay, gotcha. And just to add to that, I know there's been discussion about some new anti-avoidance directives at the EU level, the unshell rules against the so-called letterbox companies. As it gets phased in over the next few years, I guess that would also have some impact. But as this person is mentioning companies, I just want to throw in, companies dealing with company structures is one thing, but the biggest challenges we see with our clients these days, and I don't know if you've seen it on your side as well, but it's with banking. So my question is, as people set up structures using Malta, how challenging or, what is the situation with banking with banks in Malta?
Sure. Very honest answer. It's not easy. Local banks, in particular, have taken a very risk-averse stance. So unless they are satisfied, of course, putting aside the normal due diligence KYC requirements, that the person that is sat in front of them can prove without any shadow of doubt, that what he's doing is completely legal, where his money is being sourced from completely legal activities. So putting all of that aside, because I think that is today, part and parcel of what we do. So I don't think we need to delve much more into that aspect. But my personal experience is that they do not touch exotic activities such as cryptocurrencies, digital currencies, things which they are not particularly comfortable with, and sectors which are considered to be high risk. So that makes opening a banking relationship extremely, extremely hard, if not virtually impossible. With a traditional bank, I'm talking exclusively traditional bank, because these online banks, there are of course various options to meet various risks involved. But usually, as long as you can satisfy the bank that there is substance, that management and control is being exercised from Malta, that the operations are simple, and the bank can clearly understand the business model, then usually it is not impossible. It is actually doable, and we are starting to see the local banks open up more and more gradually, but opening up nonetheless to new business enterprise.
Okay, great. I hope that answers this person's question.
So if you're a 6, 7, or 8-figure investor, entrepreneur, or business owner who needs a tailor-made solution from a qualified team of professionals, we can help you achieve the international lifestyle, the freedom, and even the tax savings you're looking for. Visit us at htj.tax and live that international life.